Jaguar Xk8 Front chassis well inner wing repair. This is a short video to explain the repair I've done on my Xk8. Here we have the inside of the wheel arch of the front. Unfortunately here, behind the front cross member and the shock absorber, the body, the inner wing, completely rots away here. I don't know if it's water build up inside the rail or just behind the aluminium cross member, but this all completely rots out. I've repair welded that with new material. It's exactly the same problem the other side, and I've done the same repair. It's a really big job, and it's probably gonna scrap a lot of Xk8s because people don't want to do the work involved. The welding is quite simple, but unfortunately you have to take the front cross member off, and this is all the components on the floor here. So obviously the brakes, the suspension arms, shock absorber. This is actually the aluminium front cross member itself with all the engine mounts, body mounts, anti-roll bar, steering rack. You got it. So all this kit's got to come off just to get it that bit of a repair. As I say, it's quite a big job, and as I've took it off, I've painted everything and tried to refurb everything. But as you can see, there's a lot of body parts, suspension parts to come off just to do that simple repair in the inner wheel arch. Thanks for watching the video. Cheers. This is some photos showing before the repair and after the repair. Right, thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more Xk8 videos.